All right, first of all, at times
good.
we bumped heads, which is an amazing retelling
They
of
actually
real life.
literally bumped heads.
I love
Like,
it.
that's not a figure of speech.
At times. Ramona, though, I mean, the
Yeah.
kicker is what he says there at the end, that they were a better Lakers duo than Kareem Magic. You've covered Shaq Kobe
Yeah.
extensively. You saw many of their games
Yeah.
firsthand, and?
No, he's not right. I mean, look, they left so many championships on the table. Like, I'm sorry, that's how you measure this. And like Magic and Kareem, they didn't get along all the time either.
Yeah.
Have you read Magic's book?
Yeah.
I mean, Kareem didn't get along really with anybody at the time, right? I mean, he was aloof, and they had trouble relating to him. And Shaq and Kobe, if they were stuck together, they left 2 or 3 titles on the table. Like, I don't know how Shaq could even say that.
That's an interesting way of looking at them, that they felt whatever they accomplished, if they did that, then they fell short a little bit. Do you
Yeah.
agree with her?
I disagree.
Okay.
I think he's definitely right about him and Kobe being the most dominant. I don't think if you put any guard and any big man against those two, they will dominate anybody. And
Do you have a bias since these are the guys you physically played against?
No, I'm not biased at all. I think that the most dominant duo is definitely those two guys. I mean, you
Really?
have the closest thing
Magic
to Jordan.
was 6'9".
Yeah,
And
but
I
his
have
game-
yet to meet anyone who could stop the skyhook.
Magic couldn't
Wait.
shoot.
Okay, but just throw it into Kareem, and he'll do the skyhook over
Name
everybody.
something Kobe couldn't do.
Okay.
Pass?
I mean, he's not a point guard.
No. What's that mean? Was that
They
mean?
tried Kobe. Yeah, that was
sweet.
good. That was
Come
good.
on,
Yeah.
thank you.
He got
Okay,
a lot
that
of
was funny.
sense.
Yeah, okay. I'm not taking Cole. Okay, I got you.
I'm just saying.
He was a good passer. He just didn't like doing
I
it.
know.
Didn't have
that
to.
was
He didn't
the
have to.
point.
He didn't have to.
Come on. I mean, look, I will say Jackie McMullen and
Yeah.
Zach Lowe were having this conversation on Zach's pod that, and we've had it a ton. People do not give enough credit to how unstoppable Shaq was in
Right.
his prime. That
Right.
is just, that people, oh yeah, Shaq was good. There was
Unstoppable.
nobody better than him at that position.
Yeah, the only way
during
to
that-
stop him was to put him on the free throw line.
So
Right.
that qualifies into kind of what he's saying. I don't know.